this tutorial we're going to be talking about the probability of independent events. So the first thing that we're going to do is write down the frequency of each chip. So if there's 10 blue chips, 15 red chips, and 1 orange chip, we're just going to put those numbers next to the type of chips they are. So there's 10 blue chips, there are 15 red chips, and 1 orange chip. So the next thing that we're going to need to do is total those up so that we can find the probability of each occurring. So if we just do sum, we'll get 26. And to find the probability, it's just going to be equals the number of times that chip is in the hat, divide that by the total. And if we hit F4 on this, it'll lock that cell. You can see that there's dollar signs right around it. And then we can just drag that down. And you see that this last one is 100, which means we did it correctly. So now we're going to find the probability of a blue chip or a red chip being drawn. So that probability is just going to be the probability of the blue chip plus the probability of the red chip. So it's the probability of that happening is 96% basically. So B is an orange chip on the first draw and an orange chip on the second. So that one is just going to be equals the probability of the orange chip times the probability of the red chip. So it's 2.2%. For 2 blue chips being drawn, it's just going to be equals the probability of the blue chip squared. Or you could also do what we did in the last one, so the blue chip times the blue chip. And you get the same thing. And the probability of a red chip on the second, given that an orange chip on the first draw, is not going to be the same as B. Since they're independent events, it's going to be 0, so there's 0% chance that can happen, because we actually can't do it. So I hope you found this helpful.